let's head out to Apopka and let's talk to Ron.
Hey, Larry. I've had a 95 Grand Marquis, a 2002 Grand Marquis, and now I have a 2008 Grand Marquis. And I keep it running. It's light duty, just go to work and back, but it's starting to show its age now. So I started going to the different dealerships and test driving cars. I went to the auto show last year and this year, and I just couldn't find a car that was comfortable. Step over the, I guess the rail or the rocker, the running board, or the cutout for the wheel well, or the B-pillar was in the way, or the seat was, I could find cars that had bigger seats, but the bolstering was so over bolstered, it felt like I was sitting on a wallet. And unless I wanted to go to a pickup truck, I just couldn't find a big, comfortable seat. I'm 6'3". So I've kept this thing motoring along, and it's a good car. It's got like about 210,000 miles on it now, and it's still in good shape. But before I get to my question, I wanted to give you that background that I had started looking around, and even some of the mid-sized SUVs or smaller, I mean, it really feels like you're sitting on a pincushion or a little student desk. So,
hey, Ron, let me tell you what. They're going to bump us for the three big things here. You hang on. Let me get right back to you right after the three big things. Hold on.
Welcome back to the Magic Mechanic Radio Show. Just 2 minutes here in this segment, and Ron was in the middle of his question, so I don't want to take up too much time. Go ahead, Ron.
Yeah, so I've tried to find a new vehicle that has a deep and wide seat cushion with modest bolstering, and without having to go to a large fuel-consuming SUV or pickup truck. I just haven't had any success. So I started looking for Grand Marquis used that were low mileage. And maybe my question to you is, do you know a company that would take like my Grand Marquis and try to restore it to almost showroom condition?
Well, body and paint work, if it's done correctly, that would be one of your major expenses if it needed, that would be the major one. As far as an engine, transmission, steering, mechanical stuff like that, I mean, that's what we do. I mean, we'll take a vehicle like that and go completely through it. Depending on engine and transmission, if those are items that need to be addressed, then so be it. I mean, but you're looking at it as a restoration situation. And nowadays, to take a vehicle and go completely through it, say you spend 10, 15 grand. Well, in the whole scheme of things nowadays, 10, 15 grand is not that much money, when you start figuring out what it would cost to replace a vehicle, so... But those are always options, and a lot of folks hang on to their cars. And, we got a whole lot of vehicles down there people feel the same way about. So restoring it mechanically is one thing. The other part of it is, Ron, if you're going to venture into something like that, I would go to a couple good independent body shops. If you need paint work or interior work, get the estimates on those first, and then find out mechanically what else the car needs. And if it's cost effective and you feel comfortable with it, by all means, fix the car and keep it. That's what a lot of folks are doing nowadays. I appreciate your call. Don't be a stranger on the show, and have a happy new year. Thanks for tuning in to the Magic Mechanic Radio Show, and of course our new YouTube channel. For more automotive tips, tricks, and just general information, make sure you subscribe to our new YouTube channel.